1970 something. 1970 something. 1970 something. 1970 something. 1970 something. 1970 something. 1970 something, nigga, I don't sweat to date. My mom was late, so I had to plan my escape out the skins in this world. The fly girl and the ray of Hennessy.
Alright, this is for everybody out there at Flat State. This is my 1971 Super Glide FX. Kickstart only. 3.5 gallon fat bobs. Drum brake up front. Juice drum brake up rear. New back rim with stainless spokes. The front rim I polished. Put new spokes, stainless spokes on it. Traded my son Kevin for this bike. It was really blast from the past with the giant sissy bar and a hacked off rear fender, pipes that were put together with 1,000,000 clamps, and we tore it down right to the frame, polished up the motor. I did all the polishing, front rim, front drum brake, cam cover, trans cover, rocker boxes. The bike is pretty well stock, except for seat, carburetors, and S&S, and the pipes. Other than that, it's pretty well stock. It's a good bike, runs good. So I tore it down when I got it from my son, and just went over the whole thing. And this kid Bryson painted it, did a nice job. I've been riding motorcycles since 1973. Crashed one. I had 3 shovel heads. The one I crashed, one I came down here with, and this one. So I've had this bike, I don't know, I guess 5-6 years now. For the first year or so, I rode it the way it was, just like I said, a blast from the past. Never let me down. 1 or 2 kicks usually fires up. Well, I don't know if it's the name of the bike. Everybody says the name of it after women, but that's just something that I came up with, too tough to die, when I crashed my Super Glide. Got busted up pretty good, put me out of work for damn near 3 years. So that's why I got too tough to die.
That's why they call me